In this video, I will demonstrate how to split a fulfillment order in Shopify. And this feature becomes especially useful whenever during the order processing you realize that one of the products that customer has ordered is out of stock. So let's take an example. Let's say I have this order and the customer has ordered 3 different products and multiple quantities of each. And during the order processing, I realized that Copper Light, instead of 4, which I should have in stock, I only have 3. And there are a few more will be coming next week. So meanwhile, I would like to fulfill the items which are currently available. So in order to split the fulfillment, let's click on the 3 dots right here, and then select Split Fulfillment. Then select the Copper Light, and then let's add 1, because we would like to remove 1 item from the current order. And then select Split Fulfillment. And as you can see right now, the order has been split into 2 parts. So now I have all the quantities in my stock for this order. And then next time, whenever the more products come in, I'll be able to fulfill just this remaining product. And let's do a simple fulfillment. Let's fulfill items. 1, 2, 3. Can the post fulfill items. So as you can see, the first part has been fulfilled. And now in a week or so, I'll be able to fulfill the second part. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tip useful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.